Right now we are in Russia, where we drive all time in snow. In Russia they have streets with no salt in them. In Russia can be very dangerous driving in Russia. Right now we are heading to Rocha House, where they serve American-like food. Bacon, egg and sausage. I like my sausage. There's a car that's covered in Russia. We had serious ice storm where trees fall down in ice storm. We have Americans with us in Russia who hide, except for the little girl. Because here in Russia, gotcha. Right now we have no power on Alivida Aokich Sokota. It's a Russian word, I promise you. Our streets are very iced over, and we must wear seatbelt.
Oh my God, look.
Oh shoot. Here we are. We're desperately in need of help. Trees have fallen over in people's yards. All of a sudden I sound like Arnold. In Russia. Back in Russia we have trees fall over. Ice storms are very dangerous. Oh my God. Trees everywhere.
I think it is snowing.
It is.
It is.
Because we're in Russia. It is so dangerous we can't even back out of driveways. Because there's snow everywhere. We have no shovels. We have no salt. We just depend on the good faith of communism. Wait, are they still communist? They ain't communist.
No, I don't know.
Russian accent only.
I don't know how to speak Russian. I speak British.
Okay, you're a British friend.
I cannot get the mailbox open.
And this is our redneck friend Penny.
Stop filming me.
Stop filming me, it's wrong. I got you on camera.
Look.
Uh-oh, it's getting real. Here we are in the backwoods of Russia. Very, very dangerous place where bears exist. We've got fallen trees. People are in desperate need of help.
Look, he's waiting for you to come on.
Wow, that's a big tree. Here is some local native people with their wolfhound. Ooh, big doggy. Big wolfhound. It is snowing like bad out of hell here. Oh, it's so dangerous. We're losing control of car. They closed down stores and businesses today. It's so bad here in Russia, Georgia.
Russia, Georgia.
Ooh, more falling over trees. People need help here. There's trees falling everywhere. We cannot survive here.
There's more idiots walking.
Here is some more local native people. Here in Russia, we dress in very heavy clothes. In Russia, Georgia.
They got trees in their house. Yeah.
We vote for Eugene Yu, U.S. Senate in Russia. Oh, so dangerous. More broken trees. People need aid here.
How long is this video?
We're at 4. We at 4 minutes, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 seconds. We have more broken trees. We need aid. We need U.S. send money to us. Send us money, U.S. We in dangerous need of help.
Look, there's limbs on that.
I have no stoplight. No stoplight in Russia. It's so dangerous.
Make me laugh so much I'm getting hot.
Girl, you already hot.
Stop.
Here we have more Eskimo-like people walk through Russia at 45-mile limit sign.
I have 2 pants on, 2 shirts on, 2 jackets on.
Wow, I can't believe everything's going down.
That's what he said. Oh, we got big truck come by us.
Going fast.
There's no power here.